So thank you very much,
Thank you.
Mr. Lee. Wait. Could you, let's say, for anyone who's interested about Algae, all right, what would you tell them? How would they start if they want to, be like you? Any new scientist or engineer who wants to be like you? What is your word of motivation to them?
Sorry, I can't understand. Sorry.
What's your key motivation for those who want to
Send
be like?
message.
What's your key motivation?
Key motivation. Key motivation is before I was work a plant site, power plant, refinery plant, chemical plant. So at that time, even though my major is civil, but I did concern to this extraction system, chemical system, something. So plant is make very heavy industry developed to any other country. At the time, I focused on what is diesel, what is gasoline, what is petrol. At the time, renewable. I focused on I looked at renewable energy. That's why we concerned at the time Peter and me knows, partner and me knows each other, and at the time from soy, from corn, everything. Already America have cases algae, but algae America is very weather is not one season, 4 season. Okay, we start this Malaysia this area zones and make good biodiesel, very pure biodiesel, and supply to any other wholly. And also one main motivation is make biodiesel. We plant algae. That is they eating before I talk to eating CO2. Mean now a very big issue, weather big issue, carbon deduction.
Carbon dioxide.
This one
Zero net carbon.
zero. So algae, fortunately, algae eat CO2. So we have some like stop authority. Like this, okay, to make good environment and weather conditions, and also under this we undermine. We need to reach further.
We're talking
That's
about
all.
circular economy, balancing the ecosystem, right? So that's why it's become sustainable. Or the fact that for now there's too much carbon, so we need to find a product that can reduce the carbon. People say planting the trees, but plant trees is very takes time for trees to grow. So one of the fastest way is to have an algae. On top of that, it is very applicable for the P5.
We already got certificate from Hari Weather Association.
Oh right, Paris Weather,
I
the Paris Convention. So with the job opportunity plus, the product is consumable by the community. So again, that's where the circular economy application comes in. So that is why it is a product of the future that can sustain the community. What more, when we need later on to have an industry in Malaysia to work the resources, using algae as a source of income, not only clean the air, give jobs opportunity, save the alternative energy concept, apply it, and make it as part and parcel of the economy.
So we make a good environment and even reduce carbon, and we earn the money. On the money way is many kind of people. This is very good way, very good business. Why not? This is my motivation. If there is same like NGO doing, we never coming in over.
No.
This is my personal talk.
If I were to give a formula, all right, based on your sharing and with Dr. Noor's experience, okay, a formula to future initiators who will carry on, all right, whatever your aspiration for the circular economy, I would say it's
learn from observation
Mm.
first. Okay, reflect, think outside of the box, contribute. That's the formula there.
The other thing is, Mr. Lee, under our sustainability green project management, we have a certified green project manager program, the GPMB. I would like to make the green project management program as part for the civil engineering, for the mechanical, for that concept of your operation, because sustainability on the P5, a lot of people looking at it from engineering, technical, not on the concept of sustainability.
Exactly.
So we have the concept of the P5. So part of my interest is to make the certified green project manager be part of that certification program under your operation, under your sustainability impact.
You can be like sepakat, that they SSP,
SSP.
because when your operation has that green management certification and it expands and shares, you are as strong and even more maybe.
I want to make Mr. Lee on the 11th of March, we are having the patron, which is the Sultan of Selangor's son, the patron, Raja Muda we call the regent, to be giving the certificate ceremony. So I would like to have on that day some kind of a reward ceremony to give to RT Anugerah as a biotechnology company under the application of the P5, so that you get, as like for example SSP, Setia Perunding, they are already having industry. Yours is new in Malaysia. It is a circular economy, and we are already having you as part of the sustainability impact program. So that will bring you another lifeline. Imagine there are 450 people will be there from schools, from polytechnics, from universities, who are going to then see what is your biodiesel, and the patron, Raja Muda of Selangor, could be your target.
Yes.
Yeah, you will be part of
So,
it.
Target
so the Datuk
in Selangor.
Datuk.
Right, but
How
because we
can
come
formula
under
control?
our training,
Okay.
our green project, he's the patron. So we come under our green project, and so everybody who wants to come in and park themselves as a job, as a project, they must be certified under sustainability, because it's sustainability. Okay, so we will have like your whole plant certified as managers and everything under this. Then HRDF will be very happy, Perkeso will be very happy, because we apply job and certification all together.
Yeah.
From the skill we get JPK, and then we got HRDF, we got Perkeso. So all under sustainability of
We can reduce the
in
unemployment
Malaysia.
rate.
Yeah.
We must create our own brand.
I told you about branding, marketing.
This is
I
the
emphasize
branding
you
I'm giving
so
you,
much.
so that you are supported by all the community. Because
MK?
Yeah.
Okay.
브랜드 name MK.
What's MK?
What
What's
MK?
MK?
Malaysia, Korea.